Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you tips to grow big fruit and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined Grow a Garden game on Roblox. And if you want to grow big fruit, I recommend you to use sprinkler. So first of all, you can buy sprinkler from the gear shop. I have already bought them. Wait, I'm going to search for sprinkler. Okay, and these are the sprinkler I have both. As you can see, I have godly, basic, and advanced. For the honey sprinkler, I got it from the summer event. Okay, and we can use all the sprinkler to boost our plants growth. And then we just need to put on the sprinkler on our garden, and it will be better if we have master sprinkler because it will increase the fruit mutation, but it's okay. I'm just going to put on the sprinkler I have here. The more sprinkler you put on, the bigger fruit you will get. The basic and advanced sprinkler will help you to grow big fruit, meanwhile the godly and master sprinkler will help you to get fruit mutation. Okay, and after waiting for about 1 hour, I finally got this big elephant ears, but I think it's not already grown. It's not completely grown, guys, because I can't collect it yet. And it can be bigger than this. And then you gotta remember, guys, don't put on the sprinkler on the plant or the fruit which has already grown because it won't work. Therefore, guys, you need to place it on the fruit which hasn't grown yet. And the sprinkler will help your fruit to grow bigger while it's growing. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!